Hello everyone, welcome back to our Java collection framework series. In today's video, we will learn about to fail fast and fail safe iterator. These concepts are frequently asked in Java interviews and are important when working with the multi-threaded or concurrent environments. Let's get started. What is an iterator? Iterator is used to traverse element in a collection one by one. Before understanding fail fast and fail safe iterators, let's quickly review what an iterator does. An iterator allows us to move through the element of the collection without using indexes. What is fail fast iterator? A fail fast iterator continuously checks whether the collection has been modified during a iteration. If it detects a structural modification made outside the iterator, it immediately throws a concurrent modification exception. Here we are iterating through a array list. Inside the loop, we try to add a new element to the same collection. Since the collection changes during iteration, Java throws a concurrent modification exception. Why does fail fast occur? Internally, most collection classes maintain a variable called mod count. The iterator remembers the value when iteration starts. If the collection is modified directly, the values no longer match and the iterator throws an exception. Now let us see what is fail-safe iterator. Unlike fail-fast iterator, fail-safe iterator work on a separate copy of the collection. This means you can safely modify the original collection while iterating without getting an exception. This is the example for the fail-safe. Notice that we add a new element while iterating. This time no exception occur because the iterator is working with the snapshot of the collection. The newly added element appears in future iteration, not the current one. Notice the difference between the fail fast and fail safe. Fail fast iterators detect a modification and throws an exception immediately. Fail safe iterators avoids this by iterating over a copy of the data. Fail fast is generally faster because it doesn't create a copy, while fail safe provides a safe behavior in a concurrent scenario. When should you use them? Choose the fail fast iterator when you are working in a single threaded environment and don't expect the collection to change during iterations. Choose a fail safe iterator when multiple threads may read and modify the collection simultaneously. These are the common interview question. Remember the exception name, an example of each iterator type, and the main differences between using the original collection and a snapshot. Let's summarize today's lesson. Fail first iter is efficient, but don't allow structure modification during the iteration. Fail safe iterators allows concurrent modifications by iterating over a snapshot of the collection. Understanding this difference is essential for writing a reliable Java application. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe. In the next video, we'll learn about next topic. Thank you for watching.